Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common issue many Windows users face: how to fix the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app error on Windows. So, let's jump right into it. Let's say you're trying to install an app like FileZilla, but you're hit with this frustrating error message. Fear not, we've got you covered. This error message pops up because Windows has a setting that only allows installations from the Microsoft Store by default. But we can change that. First, close out of the error message, then head to your Windows Start icon in the taskbar. Click on the window icon, and select Settings. Now, in your Settings menu, click on Apps. In the App settings, look for Apps and Features. Here, you'll see the option to choose where to get apps. By default, it's set to Microsoft Store only. We need to change this to Anywhere. Click on the drop-down, and select Anywhere. Once you've made that change, close out of the settings. Now, find your app installer. I've got FileZilla right here. Double-click to start the installation process. Now we're prompted with the user account control window. Simply click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. And just like that, the installer window pops up, ready for us to proceed with the installation. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully fixed the error and can now install your desired apps hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.